loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some new seedlings that I got, and I'm going to be putting in my tower garden. So I hope you enjoy and stay tuned to this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So stay tuned. Thank you for coming, and stay tuned. So today I'm going to be inserting some new seedlings that I got from True Garden, which is a company that makes that plant seeds for us, and they start them for us, so it's not a problem with us growing starting the seedlings ourselves. So this is a great company. It saves time too also. And if you're interested in, getting your own tower eventually, this company would be a great company to start with. Or you can use the seedlings in your tower garden kit, whichever, is best for you. But it saves time for growing. So here we go. I'm going to unbox it. Look at it. See, they're already started for you. So amazing. Look at it. And if you can hear in the background, I have my tower garden water starting to water itself. So I'm going to tell you all that I have and what I'm going to be planting. Okay, so let's start with tray 1. This is tray 1. And let's start from A. Let's go all the way A to L. So this is A, so start right there. So I have bush beans in A. I have peppers, bell peppers. I have zucchini. I have broccoli rabe, collard tiger, which is collard greens. I have red Russian kale. I have spinach. Spinach again, red Malabar, I think that's how you say it. Then I have Asian greens. I don't know how to pronounce the other name, but it's Asian greens. And I have cilantro. That's all in here. And I was supposed to have squash and elegance mixed greens, but I think they put them down below on the next tray. Okay, this is tray number 2, and I have dill right here. Let's start from A. I have stevia. I have lettuce, Tropicana lettuce. I have dragon lettuce, romaine, and then there's where the squash come in. I have yellow squash, and I have the mixed greens. That's the squash, that's the mixed green. So yeah, I'm gonna insert, and this is all without soil, and I'm gonna leave the website below so you can go research it for yourself. And if you're interested in purchasing a tower garden, you can always go to my website. You can send me an email if you're unsure of anything, and my email is going to be in the description box. So, okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be starting with my cilantro and what is this? Deal. Sorry, I got confused for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna be placing those up top. Of course, I'm standing on a stool because I'm so short. And all you have to do is just stick them down in the hole and make sure it's going to get water. These are my collard greens. I already got collard greens already growing, so I'm going to place them with the other collard greens. Those are my collard greens already. This is broccoli rabe. I don't know if you can see me. Let me get the camera right. I got zucchini. They're going to the bottom. They're going right down here. Got squash. It's going to the bottom also. You want to put your heavy stuff on the bottom and your micro stuff at the top. I got stevia. You see that? I'll place it right down there like that. I hope I have enough room. I didn't really count how many spaces I had open. Okay, I'm going for lettuce now. Got two types of lettuce. Got lettuce. Look how it's already started. It's pretty. I'm going to put those here. And I'm going to move that because it might spread out. I'm going to keep that right there. I think I'm gonna move this one. Alright, I'm gonna transfer it this way. And once my water start back up, they're gonna get watered from the spout inside. So once the water is gonna come up and gonna water all of it, all the plants inside. Okay, this is squash. The other one was mixed. I got them confused. So this is a squash, and the other one was mixed greens. It's going at the bottom. Okay, so I have what's left. My peppers. And I got peppers already growing, so I'm going to put them somewhere close to those. Maybe right here. Or the opposite side. These are bell peppers. To the opposite side of that. Okay. D. Okay, I got bush beans. I'm going to put those. I'm going to space at the bottom. So I'm going to put those close right here. Okay, I have 4 more left. So I have, what's left? Stevia. Did I already say stevia? Maybe I was wrong. Okay, stevia. Can you see that? This is a pretty flower. It's purple. Stevia. Okay, so I'm going to put that on the other side. I'm all wrong. I'm reading the wrong box. That was Russian kale, the purple one that I just did. I'm getting myself all confused. Okay, so now this is spinach. Space spinach. But I know what's growing when it starts growing out, what it's gonna be. Okay, this is, can you see it? This is the red mobile spinach. And these are the Asian greens. Okay, so I got one spot left. Let's see where it is. Alright, now I'm going to give you a tour of everything. This is everything how it's going to be looking. Everything is already growing and what I just put in. There's kale already growing. You got some celery growing. You've got some peppermint growing. And this is some of the new stuff. There's chives up there. Alright, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it get you to start trying to invest in yourself and your health and your food source. And if you would like to purchase something for yourself, start growing in your own home. I'm in an apartment, so if I can do it, you can do it. So I'm going to leave my information in the description box. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email and I can reach out to you to further assist you. And if you want to join the company, you also welcome. We have a special going on for 3 months and I can tell you more about that also. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, which is a like, share, comment, subscribe, and come again. And thank you for watching my video. Alright, peace out. Bless you.